Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. And how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very healthy method to remove those dangling hands, those fluffy hands. Okay, I know that there are some people who actually do not want to remove their flappy hands. Of course there are others who want to remove their flappy and dangling hands. Okay, so this video is for those people that actually want to remove their flappy and dangling hands. Okay, now this remedy is actually very effective. It works at just that point in which you want to remove. So if in case you want to remove your leg fat, hand fat and all of that, apply it there. Okay, it will help you so much. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Also thumbs up the video if you do love it, subscribe and share, and let's go. To remove those floppy and dangling hands, to vanish all of those fat, especially at those places in which you want fat to be gone, you're gonna be needing this, and this is dry garlic. Okay, this is actually perfect for this particular ingredient because it helps. So it helps so much in removing fat at a particular point. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Yeah, so we're going to be putting in the ginger. Did I say garlic? This is ginger. Okay, sorry, mixing garlic and ginger is always very frequent in my mouth. Yeah, so this is ginger powder. So you put the quantity in which you think is going to be enough. Now how you're going to get ginger powder, you can actually dry your ginger, cut it in slice, little slice, dry it and then blend it. There you have your ginger powder. And then you need some aboniki balm. If you're actually in Nigeria, it's not going to be difficult to get aboniki balm. It's actually going to be easy. Mixing this balm up with ginger is going to be the one to do the magic here. So what I'm doing now is that I'm actually mixing it up. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing olive oil. Now the reason why we need olive oil is so that when this mix, because it's going to be hot on those particular places in which you're targeting to remove those fats, so it's going to be hot and you're going to sweat a whole lot. Yeah, so the olive oil is going to prevent the skin from burning and stuff, but it's not going to burn your skin. Be rest assured, it's not going to burn your skin, but it's going to be very hot. Okay, the olive oil is going to reduce the hotness. So you're going to be putting some drop. Just drop the quantity in which you think is enough for this mix. Yeah, and then after dropping that, then you stir it up really good. Okay, so this is it, and let me make another one and show you. Okay, so there's actually a different type of this. So what you're going to be needing is vapor rub. Okay, now in this one I'm actually going to be telling you which is more effective when it comes to removing fat at a particular place. Okay, all right, so you're going to be grabbing some vapor rub. and you're gonna be needing some garlic powder. All right, so how you're gonna get garlic powder, you're gonna, cut your garlic and dry it, and then you blend it. There you have your garlic powder. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting some quantity of the garlic powder in here, and then I will stir. Okay, now we're also going to be putting in a little quantity of olive oil, so to moisturize the skin and smoothen it. Yeah, so as we put it, then we stir it. And this is how it's going to look like. So this is the garlic and pepper rub, and this is the ginger and pepper rub. So this is the difference. Yeah, okay guys, so let me show you how you're going to apply this. Yeah, okay, so you're going to grab this, and then you're going to apply it on your arm. Since the camera is actually like facing down, I can't actually apply it on my hand for you guys to see, but I'm gonna be applying it on my hands here. Okay, you have to apply a generous amount of this. Now you have to get a clipping nylon, just like this. You open it up and wrap it onto your arm area or your belly area, in case you're targeting your belly. You wrap it onto the place, the targeted area. Okay, wrap it very tight, and then that's it. Okay, so that's how you're going to leave it. You're going to leave it overnight. I recommend you actually apply it in the night so that you can sleep with it, but it's gonna be hot. Beauty pins, right? So this is the garlic and pepper rub. You would have to apply it onto your arm area. You apply it generously, apply a generous amount of it. Okay, so after which you've applied, you do the same thing like this one. You take the clipping and then you wrap it through. So you wrap it really tight onto those places. Okay, now the one that is actually very hot or is hotter is the aboniki balm. Aboniki balm plus the ginger is hotter than the vapor rub. So I'm actually just telling you this in case you actually want to try any of this too, okay, so that you know that this one is very hot than this one, but this one actually is hot, but it gets into the skin little by little, you know, and all of that. So when you wrap it on here, before you know it, you're going to begin to sweat a whole freaking lot. Okay, so after the next day, or the however you want to hold it, how long you want to hold it, then you can, you know, just remove it after you feel it is okay. Okay, so you have to repeat this treatment. Already I'm sweating, even my hands here are sweating. Okay, so this is how it works. You have to apply it on those areas in which you don't want fat, like your arm. You target your arm and apply. Your belly, you target it and apply. Your thigh, you target it and apply it there. So this particular one also, you just remove it. Okay, so this is it. I'm not as sweaty as I was here, like this one. Okay, so whichever one you want to use, you can actually give this a go. This is really good. Okay, it is actually quite amazing, quite interesting. So you can actually use any of the both that I've actually shown you. Okay, just like I said, I've actually told you the one that is more hot. Well, you can actually go try it and give it a go. Okay, and do not just use it once and say it doesn't work. Come on, use it again. Okay guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Please give me a like, subscribe and share, and leave your comments, and I'll see you. Bye.